In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a card in your Trello account, updated for 2025. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, making workflow management incredibly straightforward and intuitive. If you're new to Trello or need a refresher on some of its features, this guide should help you navigate the process of moving a card across boards or lists with ease. First, let's head over to the Trello website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page has loaded, find the login button typically at the top right corner of the home page and click on it. If you've used Trello before, you're probably familiar with this step, but if not, don't worry, it's quite simple. You have the option to log in using your email or your Google account, whichever is most convenient for you. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. Look for the option that leads you to your boards page. You should see this under the Your Workspaces section. This page will display all the boards associated with your account. Once you've located the board you need, click on it. Inside your board you'll see various lists and cards, each representing a different task or piece of information in your project. Locate the specific card you wish to move. In this case, let's consider you want to move Project 3. Press and hold the card, then drag and drop it into a different list if you're simply looking to shift it within the same board. However, if your intention is to move the card to an entirely different board, there's a slightly different method. Re-click on the card to open up more options. You'll see a Move button, which when clicked will bring up a menu on your screen. In this menu, find the Board drop-down menu and click on it. A list of all your available boards will be shown. Select the board you wish to move the card to. Once you've selected the board, you'll then need to decide on the specific list within this board where you want your card to go. Click on the List drop-down menu, then choose the preferred list for your card. After making all these selections, click the Move button one final time to confirm the transfer of your card to the new board and list. And that's it. Your card has been successfully moved to the desired location within Trello. Using this method is a seamless way to organize your tasks and ensure your projects are perfectly structured across different boards and lists. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your productivity and manage your tasks more effectively in Trello.